Hello guys, good morning. This is Dr. Tariq Hussain Sheikh. We are here to discuss about your multimedia computing subject. That is of your skill subject in the semester 5th. Today topic consists of what are the evolution of multimedia and its subjects, the syllabus itself, and as you know, your uh, paper consists of subjects consists of two parts. One is of assignments, that is of 20 marks, and the next is external paper, that is of 80 marks. This particular subject is very powerful and important in the field of the computer science, since we are dealing here the communications things. Various types of communications has been uh, carried out by us, that is video communications, through video communications, through text communications, through images communications, and video calling itself, etc. So how that particular type of communications has been made possible using the computers or your smartphones, and how the mechanism has been carried out, these various structures are included in the particular subject. So we have written a book, that is myself, Dr. Tariq Hussain Sheikh, Dr. Muhammad Jamil, Professor Rupali Jamwal, and Dr. Namita Singh. So we can most of the topics for this subject is covered in this particular book, or we are here to discuss that particular book also. Before not wasting so much of time, we can move towards the first unit. We have already 5 units in our book, in our syllabus. The first unit, the syllabus of the first unit, contains evolution of multimedia and its subjects. What are the evolutions? How can your multimedia have been evaluated into your videos, communications, and other things? What are the scopes of multimedia in business and work productions? Um, since we know that multimedia can provide a very much a type of importance to your scope and importance in business and educations and communications in various types of um, we can say applications of the real-time applications of the human beings. But uh, this part also include your labels, planning and applications, multimedia and hypermedia. This is also very important topic. World Wide Web, multimedia, hardware, memory of storage devices. Since whenever we can use the concept of the multimedia, we need the storage devices. How much videos or how much the objects, images has been stored inside your mobiles, and thereafter the communication can also be made possible on the basis of your storage devices. Here, communicating device, multimedia software, presentations, object generation tools, video and science and sound. So, what are the software needed in order to communicate your multimedia objects? How can we present these type of objects, and what are the tools required in order to communicate these types of objects? That is the first unit syllabus. We can go through it. What about the multimedia? It is an interactive media, provides multiple ways to represent information to the user in a powerful manner. It provides an interaction between user and digital information. Multimedia is a content that uses a combination of different contents from such as text, audio, images, animations, video, and interactive content. It is a medium of communications. Basically, multimedia is a very powerful tool in order to provide information in such a manner such that a student can understand, a particular person can understand, and entertain himself or herself also. Uh, the content of the multimedia is nothing but a combination of different contents. That is why it is called as multi. Multi means many. And what are these type of contents that constitute a particular type of a multimedia? That is text, audio, images, animation, videos, and somewhat type of a interactive content. So we know that it is a medium of communications. Uh, as for example, I'm creating here the video so that a certain bit of a lecture or a particular type of a topic has been communicated to you for a bit of information and the knowledge. This particular thing is also consist of a multimedia. Then some of the sectors where multimedia is used extensively. What are their different sectors? It has been extensively used in education, training, reference material, business presentations, advertisement, documentaries. So, what is multimedia? The multimedia originating from the Latin word multimum, that means medium, means combination of multiple media contents. It is a technology that even today, after 2 decades, that is 20 years, before 20 years of explosive growth, means different things to different people. It might be an artistic medium, or a communication tool, or a teaching and learning tool for some, while it might be a way to complete a business transaction for others. Somewhat person knows it is a transaction, and somewhat used it as a powerful tool for communications, or a and for my purpose, it is a very powerful tool for teaching and learning purposes, for understanding the concept of a particular thing or a particular topic to the students. In general, multimedia includes combination of text, audio, still images, animations, videos, and interactive content. The interaction of multimedia technology into the communication environment has the potential to transform audience from passive recipients of information to active participants in a rich learning process. The rich media is a synonym of interactive. Basically, uh, the use of the multimedia make audience an active recipients as compared to passive recipients. Currently, multimedia is widely used in computer-based interactive communication process that includes many combinations of static, that is text, graphics, still images, and active sound, animation, and videos. And uh, here is the video combinations that has been video still video has been provided to you. It is nothing but an active combinations of sound, images, and videos. Inclusion of more than one media with at least one of them as an active media is required to preserve the definition of multimedia. So here lies the definitions of the multimedia. That means whenever we can provide an active um, uh, examples of multimedia, that is videos or animations or a sound, that can make your multimedia concept is much more important, and it can also show scope and significance not only in the teaching learning process but also in the business process and various other processes. Most current day web pages are examples of use of the multimedia. Multimedia provides a real world feeling by incorporating a multiple multi-sensor experience. So this is the first topic we have here concerned. What do you mean by multimedia? And what are the basic structure or a syllabus of the multimedia, and how we can show the importance of multimedia in day-to-day life? Since we are using the concept of multimedia by communicating through videos, by communicating to images, by communicating through the animations and the sound, but we did not know the exactly concept of multimedia. Through this particular book, you students particularly know, engrasp, absorb the knowledge of the multimedia, the mechanism of the multimedia, and the real-time applications of the multimedia. For the next topic, we can go for the next video. Thank you.